Guys, there's something that we need to talk about because it probably altered the way, not only the way you see the world, but the way you actually learned about selling on Amazon. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why you should always second guess what people on YouTube, if you learn a lot on YouTube, you should always second guess what people are actually saying, because a lot of people are not necessarily dishonest, but they are following the money, which is not something inherently bad, but it can affect the way they teach you about stuff. All right. And so in today's video, I wanted to talk about, I did a little bit already when I talked about why storefront stalking, reverse sourcing, using SellAmp is not necessarily the best sourcing method, but it is actually pushed a lot. I wanted to talk about the reason why you should not trust Amazon influencer, people actually creating content around Amazon, around all that stuff. And it's not only regarding Amazon, but it's regarding everything that you want to learn about on, you know, everything that you want to learn about on YouTube, and when you actually do your own research to actually learn about a subject. Not necessarily just on YouTube, but when you actually try to learn about something in general, when you are on the internet, all right? Because there's one thing, and let's not dive directly into it. I'm not gonna spoil you guys. Before we actually start the video, link in the description, you guys know that I am offering one-on-one coaching, all right? Not only that, but I'm starting a test group soon. We do not have a date yet, but more info on that later. I want to take a group of 4 to 6 beginners and make them reach their first $10,000 in sale, right? Get them from 0 to 10,000 in a small group. If you want to join of course, it's going to be a paid program, all right? If you want to join the waitlist, the link is the first link in the description. If you are not a beginner, we are going to have more options for you in the future. But what you can do is I am offering one-on-one coaching. So if you need help, if you have some issues that you do not know to overcome, if you have some goals that you want to reach with your business, best thing to do for you, book a session. All right, book a session with me. We are going to build a plan for you to actually reach your goals, and the session is not the end of the work. If you are not able to reach your goals, you can always talk back to me. You have my contact information. So if this is something that interests you, link in the description, book a call. The third link that you're going to see is our Discord server, all right? Because one of the things that is going to help you grow is networking. If you want to network, Discord server, best place to do it. Just be active, talk to people. When beginners are asking questions, answer them, all right? And this is how you are going to start being noticed on the Discord server. A few people did it already. They made a lot of friends on the Discord server. This is one of the things that is going to help you scale way faster than if you were by yourself. And also it's way more fun to run your business this way, all right? So, as I was saying, there's one big thing that it's not necessarily an issue in itself, and I believe that it actually is a big issue when it comes to the internet, and it's called affiliate marketing, all right? And the whole economy, the whole attention economy, not really the whole attention economy, but when you have a specific space, and let's talk about Amazon, for example, when you have a specific space, all right, that just like Amazon, just like, you know, Amazon FBA and stuff like that, there's a lot of money in this space, all right? And so what happens is there's a lot of money, there's a lot of softwares, there's a lot of service, and those softwares, those service offers affiliate programs. No, it's not necessarily a bad thing in itself. I am myself, and I'm gonna talk bad a little bit about some softwares that I do have affiliate links, and I'm not trying to talk bad about it, but talk about what's wrong about this whole thing. As I was saying, the affiliate program thing is really something that is that is causing damage to the whole space, because a lot of biased information are given by content creators that are actually trying to sell you something, all right? And so, as I said in previous videos, you know, SellAmp is not a bad tool, all right? SellAmp is not a bad tool at all. But the reason why you see a lot of people talking about SellerAmp is just because it's a software with a good affiliate program that is easy to convert. All right, that's all it is, because it's cheap, and because because it's cheap, because it's something that you need, and they are trying to sell it to you. All right, and it's the same thing with, I'm just using SellerAmp as an example, but it's the same thing with a lot of other software and with a lot of other services. Because yes, for example, you're gonna see, and this is one of the reasons why I'm actually making this video, by the way, you're gonna see prep centers offering prep centers that are not necessarily good prep centers, that are going to offer affiliate programs, which already happened in the past. And I believe that, and this is what really made me realize this, because a prep center is really something that can make or break your business, right? But we'll talk about prep centers a little bit later. And the reason why I will never recommend you guys a prep center, because it's pretty dangerous, in my opinion, to do something like this. But yeah, talking about this, I believe that the whole thing with affiliate programs and stuff like that really, and especially with SellerAmp, really did a disservice to the community. And why am I saying this? The reason I'm saying this is because of all this, and I forgot who actually talked about it in a comment in the video that I made on storefront stalking. As I said, once again, SellerAmp is not a bad software, but storefront stalking, reverse sourcing, has been sold as the main way to actually source, the best way to actually source products on Amazon for beginners and for advanced sellers. No, it's not a bad way, but it is a subpar way. Because if you want to know the truth, do you know why nobody is actually talking about tactical arbitrage? Do you know why nobody is actually making content on tactical arbitrage? Because I know that a lot of you guys actually found this channel with the content that I made on tactical arbitrage. This is one of the videos that actually, like, the videos on tactical arbitrage are the videos that actually brought the most subscribers to this channel. And do you guys actually know why not a lot of people are actually promoting tactical arbitrage? It's just because, it's not because it's a bad software, like other guys are trying to say. Like some guys are trying to say that they do not use it because it's the learning curve, all that stuff. It's not because it's a bad software, it's just because their affiliate program is closed, all right? And it's harder to convert a software like tactical arbitrage, of course, because it's way more expensive and it's way more difficult, all right? So I believe that it does not necessarily work good with it's way easier if you actually want to make money. It's way easier to always make the same video about SellerAmp, about storefront stalking, and selling it as the best way to actually source, while it's not. And I'm going to repeat it. It's a subpar way to source. Manual sourcing is way superior than storefront stalking. Tactical arbitrage is superior if you do it correctly. Storefront stalking is a subpar way to actually actually source and find products, right? In my opinion. Now, as I said, SellerAmp is not a bad software, not at all. It's not a bad software. It is useful, even if I'm not storefront stalking. I haven't been storefront stalking for a long time, all right? It's been a long time that I haven't been doing storefront stalking, but I'm still using SellerAmp, all right? To actually send information to Google Sheets, the products that I'm buying, all that stuff, all my leads, I'm always using SellerAmp as a product calculator. And so I believe that the whole attention, the whole market, because to be honest, and if I'm being 100% honest, and if I was scared, I don't know why the printer just turned on, whatever. To be honest, like, if those guys are honest with you, they are going to tell you that when they actually started doing online arbitrage themselves, they did not do storefront stalking, all right? And just because nobody was sourcing for online arbitrage like this, people were not sourcing like for online arbitrage like this. Yes, they could with, for example, how is it called? Keepa, do stuff like this, but most people were not doing this because it's not, and especially when you start, once again I'm going to repeat, once you start, it's definitely not the best way to actually start understanding the space and find products. You're going to find trash products with storefront stalking, especially when you start, because it's an art, and it seems easier all right, it seems easier, but it's totally false, in my opinion. It's not true at all that it is actually easier for beginners, because there's a lot of stuff that you actually need to know to be able to do storefront stalking efficiently. All right, not only because like the more you do it, like the more you're gonna source doing other stuff. When you are actually going to start storefront stalking with the knowledge that you gained from websites that you've been sourcing manually or with tactical arbitrage, it's going to be way better for you. So I've been pushing tactical arbitrage a lot. And when people actually ask me, when they tell me that they have the money, I always tell them, if you have the money to invest, if $70 is not too big of a deal for you. And to be honest, like tactical arbitrage should actually give me like like an affiliate, like an account for an affiliate, because I'm pushing it. Even though I'm not paid to do it, I will always say tactical arbitrage is actually a better software if you actually have the capital to invest, and it's not going to affect your capital to invest into your business, into inventory. Tactical arbitrage is a way better software, and I'll say it again. Tactical arbitrage is a way better software. It's way easier for a beginner to actually start learning about online arbitrage with tactical arbitrage than it is with SellAmp. And so, you know, whenever, and the reason why I'm making this video is because whenever, and it's not just in this space, but really it's in any space, whenever someone is actually pushing a specific tool that is a paid tool, or like a specific tool or a specific service, a specific software, a specific prep center, always check on Google if this specific tool, if this specific service, if this specific software has an affiliate link, if they are sharing the stuff with an affiliate link, because if they are probably biased. And we've seen this in the space with SellAmp, all right? Because if they always check, because, you know, and I was thinking about that yesterday when I was reading on something else. It was something totally like not related to Amazon. It was pretty much the same thing. But always check that, and always check the terms of the affiliate, the affiliate, like how much affiliate makes when they actually sell this, if it's recurrent. Because like, think about this, right? If you have a $100 a month, and I'm going to finish. If you have a $100 a month plan for a specific software, and that the affiliates make 25% recurring, all right, on those $100, they're going to make, like, every single month that you pay your membership, they're going to make $25. And so you can see how much money can be made, and you can see how people can be pushed to actually promote a specific software. I'm an affiliate with BeCool. BeCool, and as I said, if you want to know what I think about softwares, check my tier list of Amazon softwares. If a software is trash, I said it, it's trash. I said it in this video. I had no affiliate account with any brands, any software when I made this video. And you're going to see, yes, I'm an affiliate with BeCool. I'm an affiliate with SellAmp as well. I do not even push SellAmp that much, to be honest, but I do have some affiliate commission with them. By the way, if you want to use SellAmp, there's a link on the Discord server. I do not even put it in the YouTube descriptions. But always check, because with BeCool, I'm going to be honest, yes, BeCool, the commissions are great, but BeCool is a great software. All right, it's a piece of software that you actually need when you do Amazon. All right, you need a repricer if you grow. You can grow without a repricer up to a certain point, but you are going to need a repricer. And so, and once again, if you are not comfortable, yes, if you get BeCool, if you want to support the channel, if you want to support all the content that I do for free, yes, of course, use the link that is in the description all the time. But if you do not feel comfortable, like, using the affiliate link, just know that it's an affiliate link and do not use it. You know, I don't care. I do not need this to actually to pay my bills and stuff. It helps, but I do not need that, you know. So because everything helps, of course. Like, if I could, you know, if I could pay my bills without Amazon at all, just with this YouTube channel, it would be amazing. This is not how it works. But yeah, the reason why I'm saying this is, yeah, always check on Google when you see someone pushing a software. When you see, especially when you see a lot of people pushing a software, try to follow the money. Check if the specific software, the specific tool has an affiliate program. If it has a great affiliate program, just know that it is probably the reason why a lot of people are pushing it. It does not mean that it's the best solution. SellerAmp is definitely not the best solution. Storefront stalking with SellerAmp is definitely not the best solution to find products, to find profitable products. It is not. It is not, and I will repeat it again, it is not. I do have an affiliate account with them, but it is not the best way to actually source products, to actually find products, to tell you the truth. And so always be aware of that. Always check, okay? Always check the affiliate programs, check the commission, try to understand why people are actually trying to push what they push. If you want to make sure about what I think about every single software, once again, check, just type Amazon software tier list, something like that, Chris Mangunza tier list in the search bar, and I do not have any battery anymore, so the video can end at any time. But yeah, check this, check whatever I